in the grass, but I got it out. Got him. Got him. A little smallmouth or largemouth. What's that? Smallmouth? It's a small largemouth.
You won't get no smallmouth here.
Oh, okay.
Smallmouth was up north.
Okay. Not bad.
That's a little guy.
Let me see your pliers.
He's not even a year old. He's a little baby guy. Yeah, but you know what? It's a bass.
Yep. I'm on the board.
Yeah, you are. Good. That's his mother.
Yeah. I keep throwing in that spot because the first time I missed one there.
Well, you know what? Usually when you catch one of them,
Yeah.
in one spot, there's going to be 2 or 3 of them there. Maybe not.
Not bad. Little baby.
Yeah, it's all right. It is what it is, little guy. You're on the board. One bass.
Woo!
I don't get bass. I get a fucking stupid secret. Whatever. Lower now.
Come on, man. What the hell?
Let's see if we can get another hit. Come here, bird.
Gotta grab his fucking beak.
Uh-oh.
You see that, right?
Yeah, there's a problem. He knows we're helping him out.
No, this is gonna change in a few seconds. Hold on, I'm trying to grab his fucking beak.
Poor bird. Jesus Christ. We could catch humans, we could catch birds, but we can't catch a fucking fish. Damn.
Wait a minute, Norman.
Oh,
Wait, no. I'm trying to grab his beak.
Oh, he ain't gonna bother you.
Yeah, right. Why is he looking around like...
Dude, I got him. He's trying to get the hook out himself.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, poor bird. How about the one up there in his wing?
Hold on. Put the rod down.
Oh shit, you got a couple.
Yeah, there's a couple of them in there. I'm not trying to get pecked by this fucking bird.
You ain't gonna get pecked. Don't worry, trust me. I know these birds. He just, what are you doing now? You fucking lasso the fucking bird?
Oh, yeah.
Shit, he's in enough pain or as it is. Now he can't breathe. Oh, great.
First of all,
that was easy. Open your little paws. There you go. That was out. Okay. Watch out you don't get it. You're going to get him again. Yeah, that was easy. Yank him out of there. There you go. Oh, you're almost out. You're almost ready to go fishing again.
This is going to be the hard one.
All right. You got him.
Go.
Okay. Okay, buddy. Are you happy? Hey, we're sorry, man. We're sorry. He must have been bedded right down in that fucking
Yeah, yeah.
bridge down there. God, it's one of those other fucking shit.
I'm telling you, man, they love you. They don't like me.
That's because you don't hold the lure the right way. These guys feel sorry for me because they got hooks in there.
Got him. Oh, I finally caught one of those. Yeah, that's a cichlid.
They usually catch that back hook.
Yeah. They got big mouth. Relax, buddy. You only making this shit worse. Right. There's action.
Action packed. And fuckers, you gotta watch them jump all over.
Yeah.
They jump more than a fucking bass does. A bass wants to get unhooked. Yeah, these little suckers.
Bye bye. Yeah, something just blew up right here. Oh my God. Norman? I just had the biggest hit.
No way.
Oh, got him. Got him all. Catch them all. Baby bass.
Well, these little baby bass to go get their mommy.
Baby bass.
Yeah. Yeah, they're getting smaller.
Oh my God.
Son of a bitches. God damn it. How many does that make? Like 5 of these little suckers? Alright, you. You're gonna get released if you don't fucking hold still.
What's that? 2 bass and one of those little fucking
Whatever they are.
whatever the hell they're called. Cichlid. Cichlids. Yeah.
You think if you turn it off?
Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh man. Pulled hook. Hey. Normie. Boy, you weren't going nowhere.
Oh yeah, of course. Yep. And my friend just caught another bass. I swear we're catching the same bass over and over again because they're not getting any bigger. Yeah. I don't know. That was a little.
This one is a little bit bigger.
A little bit bigger. Yeah. Wait. That's a foul catch. See, he caught him on his head.
Nah.
Yeah.
He got one hook in his mouth, so that counts.
Oh boy.
This water must be really cold. These fish are so cold.
These lures I use. Yeah, they're like $8 lures, but it's better than buying freaking a dozen shiners at $8 and they're dead in 30 minutes. Yeah, fuck that shit. Yeah, I'd rather have a lure trick the fish. And they're big lures. You fucking catch bass the same size as a fucking lure. Yeah, you catch everything. Everybody in the water likes it. Yeah.
Got him. The hell is this? A brim? That's what they're called? A brim. No, he spit it.
There was a couple pounds or two.
Jesus, that was a big one.
Yeah, maybe 2 pounds.
Damn. The head on that thing was huge. Man. Damn. I saw it too. God damn it. I was about to say, what the hell was that? But that's one of those, that was a nice largemouth. That was the biggest one? Yeah, but that was the biggest one today. If you say so.
I'm telling you, this is a hot fucking. There's another one. Yeah. Another fucking blood, dude. Fucking, get that fucking hook on.
Caught his gill. Oh, as soon as it hit. Soon as it hit the water, Norman.
I love it when that does that. I like it. That's why I like top lure. You fucking, when you pop it in on top and they come up.
Dude,
boil on that shit.
as soon as it hit and I popped it the first time, bam!
Bam, bam, bam.
Look at that. Look how easy that hook came out.
Yeah, see that? They come out easy out of those little fuckers.
Not out of your hand. Pretty little mother. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Well, we can say the bite's turning on because you just caught a fish, I just caught a fish. Let's do it.
The farther we get down this canal, the better we do it.
Oh no, Norman! Jesus! I wasn't paying attention.
You don't have a bad fish. That's the best time to catch it. Trying too hard, that's when you ain't gonna catch shit.
Oh, come on, not again.
That's a fucking bar.
What the hell?
That's a bar.
What is going on?
That's called a bar.
Think it's a gar? Get him. Get him, Normie, get him. Oh, yeah. Taking drag too. Yeah. Nice. That is a nice one right there.
You're gonna get bigger.
Woo!
You're gonna get bigger than that, buddy.
That, be careful. Now that right there,
That right there,
that is one of the reasons why we came out here, right?
that's one of the reasons, but you know what? We're gonna catch a bigger one than
Hold
this.
that thing up.
They're gonna get bigger. What do you think about that, mister?
Nice.
Yeah, only in America. That you could go just far away and catch fish at 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
That's the biggest one of the day right there.
That's about the size of that other one I had.
Yeah, yeah.
What do you think, mister?
That is very nice. And I'm still recording. You catch that release.
Do you want to hold them?
That is a nice bass.
Do you want to feel what it feels like? I'm telling you, they're here. You want to see what it feels like?
Nah, go ahead, man. I'm gonna catch my own, bro.
This fucking thing's probably 3 pounds.
Damn, I should have brought the
How
scale.
many pounds do you think that motherfucker is?
2.5, 3. 2.5, 3 pounds.
Alright, throw them back. Here, hold them up. I'll take a picture.
Let me see if I wonder if there was any gators after this pitch. Oh yeah.
There you go.
Nice. Damn, I'm so high up. I know I'm gonna have to just toss him back.
Dude, I'm telling you, there's some big ones in here. I ain't gonna tell you where they're at.
Bye bye.
Dude, I thought it was one of the little blood suckers.
No, when I seen it the first time when it took off.
Yeah, you know when it came up to the top like that,
Yeah.
that's when you know it's not one of them. The little motherfuckers, they just
Yeah.
Dude, that motherfucker slammed it.
Yeah.